everyone. Welcome to this webinar. Thank you for joining this webinar. So today we are going to share about cloud accounting and how it can help you save your time and money. Sorry, let me just change my slide. Okay, so before we start, please feel free to ask any question by using the question box on the below. And today webinar will be on listening modes only. So you'll be like listening to me speaking. And the webinar will be recorded and will be emailed to you within 1 to 2 days. Okay, and please stay tuned until the end. We have some mysteries announcement to make during the end of the webinar. So this will be the agenda for today. Okay, first we'll go through the introduction of Enterpryze and we'll go into the topic Go Beyond Excel, and then we'll follow up with the Q&A section. So about me, okay, I'm the account manager in Enterpryze based in Kuala Lumpur. I have more than 5 years experience in the tech industry. Okay, so about Enterpryze. Enterpryze is part of the Milner Brown Group with more than 16 years of experience by delivering the business and management software for the SAP B1 to the SAP customer. And I'm proud to let you know that we are also awarded with the Pinnacle SAP Pinnacle Award on year 2018, and also another award by SAP, which is one of the innovation award by SAP. And we are launched our enterprise with Yobi together to the Southeast Asia markets. Okay, so for small business, SME business, okay. So understand that many small businesses use Excel to manage their account, and because it does everything very well. But when your business starts growing, Excel limitations start to emerge. So like tracking unpaid invoices can be manual and error-prone process. So something like how many times you chase a payment from a customer that actually they already pay, and just because you have forgotten to like update the payment record in your Excel file. And Excel also tends to have like waterfall effect. So when your first entry have issue, it will cause a lot of issue happen at the back end. And when all these fraud are happening, you need to spend a lot of time like tracking back where is the fraud coming from. And also Excel is silo. You will track your times in one spreadsheet, expenses in another spreadsheet, and your payment collection from another spreadsheet. And Excel does not provide a lot of big picture, like your cash flow in your real time, your forecast cash flow, and so on. Okay, so for example, like you can actually Google some of the Excel error is like happening to the big companies. Some of like one of the power generator for Canadian. It cost them 24 million just because of a copy and paste error in the Excel issue. And another famous spreadsheet error list is for the London Olympic Games. They oversold more than 10,000 tickets for swimming events. Okay, you can Google it, everything. And also for Excel, you will need to do a lot of manual copy paste, checking data across different spreadsheets and so on. And also when you have all these issues like managing a folder with a lot of spreadsheet inside there. And also Excel also have a lot with this issue, this lack of historical data that you're not able to track back who did the changes to this Excel and so on. Okay, so what is cloud accounting and what I can do with cloud accounting? So first, with cloud accounting, you can eliminate a lot of manual tasks through automation. So when everything is get online, you get your direct bank feed from your bank directly into the accounting system. So we know like who are the customers who pay you overnight, and you can get all the details on the next day morning. You will know who are the customers who make payments to you overnight. Okay, so when you have when this is enabled, automation enabled for the bank feed, you do not need to like take up most of the time doing the big book copying stuff, and you can focus on your core is like following up with your customer, closing more sales, bringing more cash flow, and so on. So it just saves you a lot of times. And also, I understand that most of the business owner, you will like outsourcing your accounting to the accounting partner to help you do it. But what is the biggest issue with this is that you are always checking with your accountant and you are talking the thing that happened in the past. So because for the generation now is like speed is a king. You will like want to like know what is the best product you are sold in which month, which season, what is the best profit margin that you sold for certain product. All this information is very critical for your business, and you should be able to like get it as soon as possible or within a time of second. So delaying is not too good for your business as well. And also with everything is like automated, like your bank information, okay, you will have more accuracy of data. So we'll have less error in your business data. Okay. So you can also like no longer like cutting and paste data manually across multiple spreadsheets, because when you do the copying things, you will have more human error and mistakes. And mistakes are costly, like what I mentioned to you just now, the Olympic error on the Excel. Okay. Next one. Saving a hardware and software license. Okay, because everything is on cloud now, you do not need to like invest a very expensive, very high-end computer to host your local system, because sometimes you will need to turn on aircon to let your PC run in order to do not let your computer to overheat and shut down, and you're not able to access your system from your home or remotely. And so when you have less hardware, it will help you to save more electricity. So and also with on-premises hardware, sometimes when the thing is breakdown, you will need to like find a technician to help you to fix the server that holds the accounting solution. So you'll be maintaining less stuff. And also the benefit for accounting, cloud accounting, is the support is everywhere. Later I will show you during the live demo from here. And also I remember one time when I was a system engineer for a company, they have this on-premises software installed with them. So unfortunately their server is breakdown, so the hard disk is broken. So then the staff told me that okay, it's okay, they have the backup with them in the pen drive. So okay, I feel grateful also. So I quickly help them to set up the system on another server as a backup first. But once I try to like retrieve the backup from the pen drive, like then I found actually the pen drive is empty. The backup file is corrupted. So this means they lost their data for like, they need to like key in back all the data for the past 1 year, and this is very costly to them. So you need to take note on this as well. Because with cloud solution, all the infrastructure is well done. All the backup will be carried on by the cloud provider. So you can move on. You can focus on your core module more. Okay. Next one. So with the cloud accounting, you can access anywhere from the world as long as you have an internet with a secure password. So this will be greatly increase your productivity because you have the 24/7 days of access. So because you are the business owner, sometimes you will tend to like meet up your supplier on the different country because due to like different time zone. Maybe you are on a great deal with him. You want some information you needed that time, but it's already a night time. You try to call your accountant to ask like, do we have enough turnover to order this to bring this order for your office? Or maybe you want to check with your storekeeper, do we have enough store to keep all this stuff? So you can imagine like they do this scenario. So you do not need to like disturb your staff or your accountant. You can actually access everything from the system itself. So it can greatly improve your productivity and also your business. Next one. So with the access of internet with the secure password, you can actually access everything and also implement the work from home. So you can make sure your employee safety. So because now due to the COVID case, everyone is scared to like traveling around. And so for your staff to traveling around from their home to your offices, it takes time. So imagine how many time you can save by the traveling time to the office and from the office back to the home. So your staff also can like work more productively to help your company, and also they are more happily to stay, because actually managing employee is also another challenging part. It will be very challenging to find another employee that can do exactly the same thing that the current employee can do. Okay. Then the next one, you also can facilitate a paperless environment. So what I mean here is not just only like you can reduce your printing. What most is that first you can like go green. Okay, you can implement a go green for your company. And also like I have this issue is last time I have these challenges before is we relying on paper that time, because due to the Malaysian law, all of the paper you need to like get a stamp and sign on it, and it's only valid on when they have issue with the law case. But it's just not only that, because we have these challenges like when you want to retrieve the paper document, you find it so challenges like you need to check each of the drawer, you need to find back the actual document that you need. You will spend a lot of time from here. I still remember I have one case with this HR client. You know, HR for them, the employees, the data is very PNC, private and confidential. So they are saving all their employees like resume, their pays inside the cabinet. And what happened is when one of the HR colleagues, they took the employee data from the cabinet out from the cabinet, and they are not able to trace back who is actually the person who took the document. So they are not able to track that. And also it's also a lot of the second challenges will be when the document actually returned back to the cabinet, they found that some of the document is missing. Okay, so this will be another critical element that you can take to. So on top of that, understand that now most of the businesses, they require physical invoice to be mailed to them. Okay, also based on experience, last time, because I'm an account manager for another company as well, the time I'm receiving a call from my finance department that mentioning one of my customers is not paying me, have a lot of outstanding. So he asked me to find out what is the issue. So when I called the person in charge at the time, what he told me is that okay, I did not receive your invoice payment. Then I checked with the finance team. So only then I found actually we do mail up the physical invoice to them, but just that because the document is already stacked over and over, so the actual invoice that we post to them is already like under so many layers, and they cannot see it. So this will cause a delay on your receivable, and this will be greatly impact to your cash flow as well. So now you can like try to educate your customer, like going into like e-billing. You can just straight away use a system called system. You generate the invoice from the system with one click of button. You can straight away email the invoice to your client directly. So you can like educate them. Okay, so this is what we're mentioning from here. And also another thing, when you store a lot of paper like this traditional filing from the picture, it not just only cost you paper on the printing and the printing cost as well. It will also cost you on your space. Okay, let's say you need to have more space to save all your documents. And also with all the physical documents stored on premises, now you know to refer back to the critical element of the document, you will need some times. And also sharing documents, sharing physical document is hard, because whenever you want to share a physical document, you will need to do a photocopy of the document and share it within a colleague. And also there's another operation cost that occur to your businesses. So this is something you should take note from here. Okay, and also another thing will be security. A lot of clients ask me about the security. They're concerning that they're using the cloud. They are worried that their bank account information will be exposed or get like it's easily to get hacked. Actually no need to worry about that, because most of the cloud solution provider, they spend a lot of money and they hire a lot of expertise to like keep your data securely in the server. So I'm not sure, do you have like actually view before how is the infrastructure set up in the data center before. They are securely your server in the rack, okay, with the aircon, with the ventilation, everything set up nicely with all the security patches, and they have this expert to help you to manage your storage well with this one. So no worry on this on the security side. Okay. So next one will be integration. Okay. So currently you can have the integration with like Shopify and MasterCard. So for Shopify, it's like now with the condition, if you want to start your online store, you can actually use the Shopify like to straight away start your online e-commerce store, and you can straight away start selling your product online. So once your product are sold online, customer make the payment from there, you will straight away get the ordering from the Shopify pushed over to your accounting, and you will get the order from the accounting. You can straight away process and to deliver the product to your client. And also with the integration with MasterCard and Stripe, you can easily accept the credit card payment securely without any hassle to set up to get a terminal machine from the bank and so on. Okay, next one. So now we'll be going to the live demo. So I will show you how is the real bank reconciliation can help you, and the integration can give you a better way of viewing your business performance. How you can like generate instant report and process the tax easily so you can save more time. And also we show you how user-friendly is our accounting system can be, and how easy to implement it. Okay, please give me a second to pause. Okay, everyone, now we are back. So our cloud solution is hosted in the Amazon web server. So it's a very secure server. Okay, it's hosted by the, okay, if you heard about Amazon, you will know the server that they have is the Amazon. So they have to secure this server with a lot of expertise, like I mentioned just now. Okay, so once you log in, you will bring into the home screen of our enterprise. Okay, and you will see, first thing you will see, you will see all these transaction feed is what all the proactive information that are happening in your businesses. Like you have a new invoice created by Kylie worth 100,000. You receive incoming payment from SCSG trading of 80,000. You'll be more happy to see this. Okay, and then go to the next one. This will be my activity. It's something like your calendar that can remind you that what you need to do for the days or for the week to go. You can actually browse from here. And also for the next one will be the notification. You can set a reminder to remind you that you have a meeting, you need to call someone. And on top of that, you also can assign this activity to your colleague, because the cloud accounting solution is a multi-user. Just back to those days for the local accounting system, you will only open access for your bookkeepers or admin. Maybe your sales, they do not get the access, but now you can open the access to your sales. They will be able to like open their sales quotation. They can refer back to the correct and most updated price list, so they will not underquote your customer and make a loss to your businesses. Okay, so and on the top bottom right, you will see a favorite here. You can set up your favorite customer and supplier here. So with one click of button, let's say you want to see for 2L Tire and Auto Services, you're able to see all the statement of account for this client, all the quotation and all the information that are according to this client from here. And also the next one, it will be create new. You can easily set up your own shortcut from here by clicking this add button. You can, let's say most of your job is creating quotation, purchase request. You can change it from here by clicking this plus button. You can just select from here. Okay. So on top of that, let's say you have more than one company you need to manage. You can quickly do a switching on the top right corner on here on the drop down button. So you will see from here, I have around 6 companies from here. So what I'm going to show you now is the bank live feed, how it works and how easily you can actually manage and update your your collection by day to day. So let's say today you wake up in the morning, okay, you go into the office. So the first thing you should do is you should go to the banking here. And you can see from here, on the left-hand side, it will be the bank transaction. So you will see all the transactions that are made, like all the payments, incoming payments and outgoing payments are happening in your banks. So like green color will be the incoming payments, red color will be the outgoing payment from here. So you see everything will be imported automatically. So you can see like how many pages here. So imagine the time if you want to like open another window with your bank login information to key in this, it will take you a lot of time. So you will need, so you can save you so much of time without keying all this. Okay, and also it's accurate because when you need to like key in everything from here, you have human error also on the typo. Okay, so once you get it, once you get the live bank fee transaction, okay, and also on the right hand side will be the enterprise transaction you did in the system. Okay, you can include the open invoice like the sales and purchase invoice in the system. So what you can do here, you have two steps. You do you have two options to do the knock-off payment from here. So one is you can do it manually, like you can check on the invoices that pay. You can click on this plus button. You can click the create payments, and then you click on the business partner to select this payment is for which is coming from which client. You can search for their name from here, and we'll show you all the invoices that are according to this client that you have, and you can allocate to them and save it. And the system will help you to create the payment accordingly and knock off the invoices. And will help you to keep track everything. And then later on, you can straight away email the payment receipt to them once it's done. Or the next one will be much easier, will be you can use the auto matching feature. So with the one click of button, the system will find the matching amount that help you to auto match it improvely. So you can see how fast the system can help you to match the payment accordingly to the invoices. So you can see like for this 350, 45, it will tag with this one, and 35 will tag with this one. So once you click the match selected, the system will help you to knock off the payment as well. So it will save you a lot of time from here. Okay. So, and then next, I will move to another company. Okay. So from here, after you updated all the payments that made from your client overnight, the next thing you will do is how to like better improve your cash collection. So you can go to the accounting here. So you can see a beautiful dashboard in the accounting module. You can see like your turnover for the past 12 months. You can change it for here. You can update for the last 12 weeks or 6 months. Okay, and we have all this reporting ready for you. You can generate report with one click of button, your balance sheet report, your profit and loss report, and so on. And also you can see the receivable versus payable from here, and also the balance sheet in pie chart, and also the cash flow for the next 3 months from here. Okay, and also we have a lot of chart of account is ready. It's already created in the system, so you do not need to like create your chart of account again. Okay, and you also can add a new chart of account if you need it. So you can actually see your profit and loss report from here. And also another benefit will be you can actually do a comparison of the profit and loss that you want to, like let's say you want to do a comparison between this date and the next date. So you can just click on this button, you will know the gross profit and net profit from this date comparing with this date. And this is also available in the balance sheet. You can do a comparison of your balance sheet based on the date as well from here. And you also can export it to Excel to view it from offsite. Okay, another thing will be receivable. Okay, this one, we should talk about this one. So after you update all your live bank feed from here, so the next thing you should do is you go to the age receivable. This is all you can see the debtors that all is the outstanding payment you haven't received. So from here, you can see this nice and beautiful chart from here. You can know that like, which are the customer have outstanding more than 30 days to 60 days, 60 to 90 days, and from here. So you can actually quickly click on this filter button. Let's say you want to see for customer have outstanding more than 60 days above. You will help you to filter out straight away. Very easy and simple. So let's say if you want to see, I think Kok Wai own you more than 11,000, more than 16 days, you can straight away click in from here. You will able to see which are the invoices that still have outstanding from here. Okay, from here you can continue to filter down. Yes, I want to see the invoices have outstanding more than 90 days. So I just filter now. So this is all the invoices that are outstanding according to COP. Okay, so what you can do from here, you can easily just select all the invoices from here by clicking this button, and then you can click the email button. So our system will help you to send all these invoice to the customer to remind them you have overdue payments. So please make the payment as soon as possible. Okay. So this is how fast you can and how simple you can improve your cash flow by chasing back all the outstanding payment for more than 60 and 90 days. Okay. Then for the next one, it will be for the tax report. Okay, if your company is charging tax report, we do have the SST generator here that allows you to generate your tax from time to time. It will generate a report, so you will know actually how much is the tax that you should be paying to the custom Malaysia for the day being. Okay, and then as you can see, our system is designed very clean and easy to use. And the next one will be I will talk about sales. Okay. So for the sales module, you'll be able to see first thing you'll be able to see is a beautiful dashboard. You will know that like your sales revenue, which might have the highest sales revenue. Like from here, you can see starting from March and April, then your sales thrive, then it dropped again after May. You can know all your sales KPI. And also with all this beautiful report, it's ready for you to extract. Like what I mentioned earlier, you would like to know which are the product you have the highest margin. You can actually scroll down from here. You're able to see like the gross margin by salesperson, okay, also by product. Is everything available from here for you to click and generate, so you can have better control of your businesses, and so much more from here, like top sales, who are your top customer from here. You can build everything from here, okay. And also you see here have a beautiful graph like which are the product group that generate the most revenue flow for your businesses. Okay, so from the sales you can easily generate a code from here. And also, we'll record down all the code that you are generated before from here. You can build actually for yourself only, or you can build all the code that are created by other salesmen as well from by clicking this all button. Let's say I can see here, I will see one is created by me, another one is created by Mr. Jordan. Okay, so far here I only can see myself. Okay, so let's say I open one sales quotation for example for you to see. So here you can see all the items that you are charged accordingly to the customer. Okay, you can have multiple lines here. And once the quotation is done, you can easily copy this quotation to become an invoice and bill it to your customer by emailing them from here. Okay. So basically, that's about it for my demo. So let me just view on the question from here. Okay. So far everything is from here. Just post from the share screen. Okay, let me just switch back to the slide. Oops, sorry. Okay, so just let's recap what is the benefit we will gain from here. So with the cloud accounting, you'll be able to work from anywhere with an internet connection and also with a secure password. So no worry on the security because everything is secure by the cloud solution provider. Okay, and also it's a cost and time efficient, effective solution with automation. Like you will get your direct benefit from your bank with all the payments and outgoing payment made. So it will be less human error. So it will be greatly benefit to your organization. And so watertight security, like no time consuming backup, like what is the story I mentioned, I shared with you just now. When you do backup, the backup get corrupted and you're not able to like restore your data once something happened. Okay. And also another thing, you'll be able to share and collaborate better with your colleague, like you're sharing digital document with them. You can share through the system. So you'll be able to view back the same system, same document from the same invoice and so on. And also you can start a paperless environment. You can reduce your paper and more sustainable. And also with all this concluded that you will have a better control of your financial processes. Okay, so now let's move to the Q&A section. So let me just take a look on the Q&A boxes right now. Okay, so I saw a question from here. How will I know if an accounting software is compatible with my industry and businesses? Is there any expectation to industry? Okay, cloud accounting solution is a scalable. So you can be a startup now. Let's say you do not have a lot of transactions, so you do not need to like invest on a high performance PC. So when times goes on, your business will start to grow. Maybe you will have like 50 to more than 500 transactions per year. So then you need to upgrade hardware. So with cloud accounting, it's very easy. Everything is like upgrade is like one click of button. The system will like auto like to assign the best resources to cater for your printing. Okay, so for industry wise, no worries on that. We are able to like cater for most of the industry. So just do talk to us. Leave us down your contact number, okay, and we'll get back to you according after that. So another one will be, okay, can my data get lost on the cloud? I never used accounting in the cloud before. So how secure is my bank data in the cloud? So to answer this question is, okay, the cloud solution will not save your bank data information there, because we will only save the transaction, like what I showed you just now is the payment that you receive. It's not your bank account data there. So all of them will be securely saved inside the data center. So you see, you have they have this the data center have this like tagging system. They have this expertise to keep your data securely in the facility. So it's no worry on your data. So and also the backup will be carried on automatically. So and also they will do checking on the backup as well. It's not like now you do the backup on your pen drive and you do not know how to do the checking. Is your backup, is it completed? Is the file will get corrupted or not? You're not able to do that because you do not have the knowledge to do that. So all this will be carried on by the facility. So it will be less hassle for you. Okay. And the next one, will this software help with taxes? And how does it help? Okay, I believe I show the tax report that I mentioned just now inside the system. So once you set the items, you preset the item, let's say you charge SST, right? All the sales invoices that you are generated, the SST generator will help you to generate the tax that you charge according to the date you selected automatically. Then you will know what is the exact SST amount you need to pay back to the customer Malaysia with a one click of the button. Okay. Yep, I have one here. Do you have any accounting firm who are using this system? We don't have time to do our own transaction. Okay, yes, we do have accounting firm that work together with this at the moment. Okay, please leave down your contact. So they are very experienced. They have more than 20 years experience in the market. So you leave us down your contact. We will help you to like get connected with our accountant. They will share you the experience, like how their other client better manage their business with the experience they gain. So we can work around, we can work together on this one. So please do leave down your contact to us. Okay. Yeah. So let me see. So is there any question more? Yeah. So okay. Any limit? Okay. Any limit on numbers of invoice and issue? Other cloud system got quota. Okay. So far, we do not have any limits of number on the invoice you can issue. You can issue as many invoices as you can, and all this will be recorded in the cloud solution. Okay, so no worry on that, on the cloud space as well. You can also like, once your customer has physically signed the invoice and they scan it back to you, you can also save the PDF inside the same invoices. So when you want to do retrieval, when like fraud case happen or mistake happen, you can actually view back the same invoices and find it back the actual document that's signed by your customer. We also do have mobile apps ready, which we will cover in the next few webinar. Okay, so hopefully I answer your question. How easy is for us to migrate your data from SQL? How about what about our 7 years of data we will need to store as a prerequisite by the authority? Okay, for migration is very simple. We have the import data ready. As long as you can extract your data from Excel to the Excel, you will be able to import all your customer data, your sales and purchase information, payments information to our system easily. We can help you to do that, no worries. So as long as you can export the Excel file to the Excel file or CSV format from your current system, we will be able to help you to import all the data to the system from here. Okay. Wow. Okay. So many questions from the Q&A. Okay. How many customers you have in Malaysia now? Is there a separated charges for support service? Okay. Yeah. No worry on the support charges services because the subscription that you are pay for is the support services is ready, so it's already included. And customer, we have around more than 100 active customer at the moment for Malaysia. Yeah. Okay, for different company, you have to like subscribe a package. Depends on your business nature of your business. You might need to take different packages because in Malaysia we do offer a few packages from here. So just connect with us. We will help you to. We'll after we talk to after we have the section, we will find the best suit package to you, and we see what we can offer from there. Okay, another question from the desk is, my business is deal with a lot of stock. Can I use Enterpryze to track my stock? Yes, you can use Enterpryze to track your stocks. We do have the modules ready, which I think we will cover in the next webinar. Yep. So do connect with us. We will leave our contact info. Please leave your contact information at the end of the webinar. We will engage with you and see how we can help your business to grow and better manage your stock from there. Okay. Okay. So is there any question else in the Q&A? Yep. I think basically that's it. That's it about it. Your system is only on English version. Okay, our system we have a Chinese version as well. Still under developing. Later you can change it from the Chinese version. Okay. Do leave your contact to us. I will show you the demo like how you can change it to the Chinese version. So for China, you'll be using the simplified Chinese, right? Yep. So Miss Sok Ming, yep. Yeah, another one from the desk is there any mobile? Yeah, like I mentioned just now, we do have mobile apps associated with this package. You will be able like create your quotation or invoices on the go, and also collect the payments on the go. You can actually show a QR code from your mobiles to collect the digital wallet, the Do It Now wallet. So you will get less contact with the physical cash money. So this can actually first is prevent the COVID virus. This is one thing. Another thing is you can actually prevent fraud case as well, because based on my experience, there is one huge fraud case happened before due to like cash term. It's very hard to like understand when it's due to cash, a lot of this fraud will be happening. And when this happens, you will be having a challenges time to like track back all this from time to time. Okay. Yep. For the security feature, okay. We do offer. We do have the two-factor authentication method ready. Because I'm not sure you all understand what is two-factor login. So it's like now we will have an email and password securely login. For two-factor login, right? Once you get the correct email and password login, it will prompt you for another PIN code that you will need to install a Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator in your phone. there will have a code there. So you will need to input that code, then only you'll be able to log into the system. So this is like a two-tier security to like lock down your information, because you have your bank transaction information there, your incoming and outgoing payments there. So we have to do this to like secure your data from the cloud. Okay. Yep. So we still have another 5 minutes left. Okay, so I see there's no more questions from the Q&A boxes. Okay, so thank you everyone for staying until the end of the webinar.